Now look at page 181. Page 181 in your reading packet. Sam goes shopping. Listen to the words. Use the words in the word bank to finish the sentence, to fill in the missing word. Let's look at the words. All, check. Eggs, fish. Get, got. Has, list. Much. Shopping. Things. That. Thank. Okay. Number 1. Sam is going shopping. 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 Now write. Shopping. Oops. Ooh, that's a big one. Try it again. Shopping. 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 Okay. Now, you listen and write the word you hear. Number 2. She needs many things. She needs many things. Number 3. She writes a list. She writes a list. Number 4. She has to get eggs. She has to get eggs. Number 5. She has to get fish. She has to get fish. Number 6. She can get all that at the store. She can get all that at the store. Number 7. Excuse me, I'm looking for eggs. Excuse me, I'm looking for eggs. Number 8. Eggs are over there, aisle 10. Number 9. Thank you. Thank you. Number 10. She got the eggs. She got the eggs. She got the fish. She got the fish. Number 12. Now she will check out. Now she will check out. Number 13. How much is it? How much is it? Okay. Don't copy from the story. Listen, then write the words you hear. Okay? And when you are finished, send me a picture.